What's your name? Chalo, come. Hi. I started walking into the forest. The caretaker bhaiya said there is no threat of any kind. There are no animals as such apart from these 3 dogs that are following me around. Extremely cute, and my day is made. There's clean green blue water, there are mountains, there are trees, there are pine trees, and there are dogs. Perfect. I don't have a cake this year. Maybe I'll make a late birthday celebration later. What did you get yourself into? Okay, you're doing better than the beginning. Oi. Oh, okay. Oh, you're liking this? Yeah. It's my birthday. I must clean some doggies. Okay, we're done. This is the max I think I can do. Otherwise you have to be brushed, and I don't have a doggo brush. Okay, sorry. I don't have a doggo brush. I'm done. That one is gone. Do you wanna go now? Let's go. Chalo. Oh, don't tell me you're left to mark territory. Go now. This is the solar system that they have. I didn't see any other panels. And there are some tent houses. Right, I remember I saw these in the website in Airbnb. Tent houses are multiple throughout this stretch. This is the second last, and in front of it is a dog to sit at and a view. Let's see. Well, I have permission to do this, okay? As in from the caretaker. I don't know who the owner is. I know who runs that place though. It's dark and there's no electricity. Oh, there's the solar bulb. It's spacious. We came for my birthday, and also my mother needed a vacation. She was in Meghalaya when she was a child. She was born in Kohima, Nagaland. Her father had a job that kept her moving. Now she's back to Meghalaya after around 48 years. So I'll just give a brief information on the expenses. If you are taking a cab from Guwahati, it will charge you 3k, minimum 3k. If you opt for shared sumo, 300 per head. If there's only one way to commute from the Umiam water sports complex to the island, the lake house, is via boats. If you are 2 to 3 people, you can hire one speedboat. If you are more, there's a bigger boat. I think the cost of the bigger boat is 1180 or something, but the speedboat cost me 472. Food, I don't know the cost yet, but non-veg you will only get for dinner. Lunch, maximum you'll get egg. The vegetables, they have 2 daughters who keep rowing the boats, and they keep going to and fro to get vegetables and produce other products. Breakfast is not too great. We got bread butter. He could offer us Maggi. Bread is when he said yes to when I asked for. He didn't offer it upfront. Tea is not good. The tea leaves are not of good quality, which is why I asked him to put ginger. That way the smell and the bad taste of the tea is being overpowered by the taste of ginger and smell of ginger. That was a good thing I did. So the tea was good that way. Costs I still don't know yet. At the end of the day, at the end of the trip I'll get the bill and I'll know. Yeah, there's nothing much to do. It's just the island, one family who lives here. He has two daughters who keeps rowing the boats to and fro to get products, stuff from the city. There is no electricity. There is a tiny solar panel that can help with the solar light at night. You cannot charge your phones. They will not provide that accommodation. They will not provide that help. If you really need charge, maybe you can call for a boat, go to the other side of the uh, island to the sports complex and there look for electricity, or you can go to Orchid Lake Resort and there you can charge your gadgets if you're staying for too long. All day there's actually literally nothing to do. You can just sit and stare, and I came to stare at Umiam. The house is shaking because the speedboats are on its door. So basically there's that sports complex right in front of this island, and people board onto the, can you hear the noise? People board onto the boats and they go on a ride, and the ride comes towards this house. No invasion of privacy as such. It's just the thing. The house will keep moving, which is making me sleep more.